Craving the joy of outdoor cooking in a convenient, portable package? In this guide to top-rated outdoor electric grills, we're unveiling the ultimate solution for enjoying barbecue flavor on the go without straining your budget. Join us as we explore the finest options for taking your grilling game outside. Hey there, savvy shoppers, welcome to our channel. I'm Brand Wizard, your trusted product guide on a mission to save you time and help you find the perfect products that suit your needs. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Product number 1. Breville BGR820XL Smart Grill, Electric Countertop Grill. A sleek stainless steel marvel designed for your outdoor culinary escapades. With its spacious base, this patio grill offers enhanced stability, setting it apart from other outdoor electric grills. Crafted with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, its base boasts an appealing and sturdy design, highlighted by two standout features: a digital readout and a precision thermostatic control system. This electric countertop grill takes your grilling experience to new heights. Sporting a generous 250 square inch cooking surface, this powerhouse is driven by a single burner. Underlying these remarkable attributes is its exceptional heat output. Prepare to be impressed, as this grill is capable of reaching temperatures of up to a sizzling 725 degrees Fahrenheit. Product number 2. Kenyon B70082 Floridian All Seasons Portable Stainless Steel Electric Grill. Crafted from stainless steel, this grill stands as a beacon of style on your patio. Its broad base delivers unparalleled stability, setting it apart from conventional outdoor electric grills. The foundation is thoughtfully designed, a fusion of form and function that catches the eye. Remarkably, it hosts two key features: a digital readout and a precision thermostatic management system. Unveil a new realm of grilling precision with these advancements. With a 250 square inch cooking surface, this electric grill operates on a single burner configuration, all while radiating efficiency. This grill's remarkable trait lies in its exceptional heating capabilities, reaching a scorching 725 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare to be mesmerized by the heat it generates. Product number 3. Coyote Portable Electric Grill. Concluding our lineup of top-tier outdoor electric grills is the Coyote Outdoor Living 19-inch 2-burner electric grill. Boasting a generous 156 square inch cooking surface, it provides abundant space for preparing substantial portions of your favorite dishes. Empower your grilling experience with the 1,300-watt heating element capable of reaching up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjusting heat levels is a breeze through the user-friendly temperature controller knobs. With an impressive 5,000-hour lifespan, the heating element ensures enduring and trustworthy grilling performance over the long term. Safety takes precedence with a built-in 60-minute security timer, bolstered by a surge protector, alleviating concerns about accidentally leaving the grill unattended. The stainless steel finish not only adds a touch of elegance, but also signifies durability. Moreover, it arrives complete with essential cooking utensils, neatly housed in a convenient storage case. Elevate your outdoor cooking endeavors with style and functionality. It's time to embrace the Coyote experience. Product number 4. Weber 550200001Q2400 Electric Grill. Weber's outdoor electric grills boast a captivating secret: they effortlessly conjure up exquisitely grilled feasts that seem almost too good to be true. A true culinary marvel, the Weber Q2400 Electric Grill offers a whopping 280 square inches of cooking space, fueled by an impressive 1560 watts of power, all while conveniently plugging into a standard 110-volt household socket. Weber, a revered name in grill manufacturing, has amassed a dedicated following of enthusiasts who vouch for its excellence. These outdoor electric grills are designed for user-friendly operation, equipped with a removable catch pan to neatly channel excess fats and grease, and featuring porcelain enameled, cast iron cooking grates. They redefine convenience. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the removable catch pan and easily adjustable temperature settings. These grills excel at heat retention, yielding delectable sears and evenly cooked masterpieces. Weber's commitment to quality and innovation shines through, offering you a gateway to exceptional grilling experiences. Product number 5. Char-Broil 20602107 Patio Bistro TRU-Infrared Electric Grill. Experience outdoor grilling at its finest with the Patio Bistro, Char-Broil's innovative creation, available in both electric and propane models. This impressive upgrade from Char-Broil's retired Patio Caddy series seamlessly fuses infrared cooking technology with the traditional appeal of convection-based grilling. Assembling the Patio Bistro is a breeze, requiring only a screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. Its distinctive round design generously offers 240 square inches of cooking space, with an additional 80 provided by an elevated heating rack. Impressively, after a mere 20-minute preheating session on the highest setting, the Char-Broil Patio Bistro effortlessly achieved temperatures well beyond 600 degrees Fahrenheit, as confirmed by our trusty grill thermometer. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with the advanced technology and practical design of the Patio Bistro. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.